Welcome back to Bobblehead Homestead. I am Jeff. Today is Wednesday. Did a live show last night. If you missed it, I went on a rant about lawns and lawn mowing. And yeah, I did that. Today, I am out here and there's a driveway that's about 2/3 of the way done. The operator of that bulldozer behind me just went to get another load of gravel. So, things are looking up. Let's turn around, get my ugly mug off of here and show you the driveway so far. We are looking north down the lane. My property is on the right-hand side. Down at the valley there is where it starts, and it comes all the way up here, and bing, bang, boom. Drew put that culvert in, and now we have the very good start of a driveway. And then my property goes up just beyond my minivan. All right. I think this is 2 loads or 3 loads, 2 or 3, I'm not sure. But nice and thick. This is a lot of shale and a little bit of other stuff mixed in. But this you use as a base layer. And then like the road, you put the base layer down and let it settle in. And then after a while, I'm gonna wanna bring in some finer gravel rock like they did here in the lane. But this is how you start it. I already packed in pretty good right here. And the guy who delivered the culvert, I had to get up this morning and get to the S&W Lumber. I don't know what the name of their business is. But yeah, they had the culvert. I got a 12-inch by 20-foot long, and they delivered. So I got that here, and right as he was bringing in his last load of rock, so that worked out good. So I've been up since 6 a.m. this morning. I don't know what time it is now. It is getting hot and humid. That is for sure. So looks like one more load might do it. Maybe I'll have him go further and get a second load. I don't know. I'll talk to him when he gets back. But yeah, probably one more load should do it for now. And then I'll be able to drive right into where the home site is going. it is right about noon, and he just left for one more load. We'll go look at the progress thus far. I am headed into Boonville. I'm gonna go find a place to sit down in air conditioning and have a sandwich and a cool drink. Then I'll be out here. I'm not staying all day. But, oh, there goes my phone. Yeah, who knows what the rest of my day holds when my phone starts going off. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna turn you around and show you the progress. And he is bringing in one more load of rock, and that should be good. There are 3 flags, 2 orange ones and a white one. I don't know if you can see that, but that's basically about where the end of my cabin will go. And you can see the driveway coming right through there. Yep, and he kind of pre-leveled out this spot, ran over it quite a few times to get it packed in. And then he's gonna come with one more load. Should get about where I'm standing right now. So one more load should get us in there, and that's exactly what I wanted. I can pull right up to the house site, start working on the pad for the house next. But yeah, this is all shale rock. And when he drives on it with that bulldozer, it, you know, the bigger chunks turn into much smaller chunks. And that will happen as I drive on it over time. And then the really big ones, he's just brushing off to the side. I'm sure we can use those big ones around the culvert. So yes, the culvert is in and done. In and done. Oh, and he's already done the rocks around that one. It's a start anyway. Yeah. Yeah. All right, I've got 3/4 of a driveway in. I think it'll end up being 4 loads of this stuff, and we've got a driveway. All right, I'm headed to the minivan. Catch you this afternoon. I just put the first pair of tire tracks on my new driveway. Bobblehead Homestead has driveway. Yes. Driveway is done. Yeah, all the way back here. And then my shed to house will be going behind the minivan there. Yeah, driveway is done. But my day is not done yet, and that's all right. I am headed over to the 41.36 real quick, and I'm gonna borrow something. They're always helping me out, so maybe I can, I'm gonna try to get them on camera while I'm over there for a second. I made it over to Simple Life Reclaim. They loaned me their seed spreader. Yes, they did. Thank you, Mel and Gary. Thank you very much. So yeah, I picked that up real quick. I didn't take my camera with me, and she's busy and I'm busy, and I want to, yeah, so yeah, the Simple Life Reclaim cameo will have to happen another time, but I greatly appreciate the use of that seed spreader, because I've got about an acre to do. Let's go look at that real quick before I head home. Yeah, this is the south side of the driveway, south side, and I'm just doing some regular grass, and then some cosmos and some sweet William, and I'll also throw some clover in there. So that will, the sweet William won't bloom this year, but maybe next year. The cosmos, it might bloom later this fall. I might have time left for that. So that's the south side of the driveway. And then the north side of the driveway down here is a much bigger patch of land, and it slopes down so you can't see it all. So yeah, that's why I need that seed spreader. Can you imagine doing that by hand? I cannot imagine doing that by hand. All right, I'm out of here. It is probably 3:30. Yeah, probably too late for a nap today. That's all right. Tomorrow I got to be home for a seed delivery, I'm hoping. Tomorrow or Friday. I'll check the tracking, but it should be here tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow I can maybe rest up a little bit, and then it's got to watch the weather for a good time to spread those seeds. Yep. And on that note, the air conditioning's going. I don't want to waste it. Thanks for watching. Thank you for everything. Thank you for making my dreams come true. I'm working hard for my dreams, but yeah, you're helping me make my dreams come true, and thank you. Take it easy. Man, right when I was leaving, and I bet he's gonna block me in too.